This tutorial video will explain how to mail documents to anyone using onlinecheckwriter.com through USPS or FedEx. To get started, log into your online CheckWriter account, click on Business Tools, and choose View More. Then, select the mail document from the available tools. Click Upload Files, then upload your PDF documents. You can upload multiple documents. Once completed, you can directly mail the documents from here, or click on Done. Now, you can see the uploaded files in the table. Select the documents that you would like to mail and click on Mail button. If you would like to send documents from a common address, using a specific shipping type, select the From address and shipping type from these drop-downs for all files. You can add a new From address using this button. You can always change them for each file from here. Now choose the receiver for each file from the provided drop-down. Also add a new payee by clicking on New. Here you can view the total shipping cost for the mailing. Once satisfied, click on Mail. And your document will be mailed successfully. OnlineCheckWriter.com also offers a bulk mailing option, allowing users to mail uploaded documents to numerous payees simultaneously. Click on Bulk Mail. Here, you can select a common From address, document, and shipping type. Here, you can add the number of mails need to send. Then below, you can see the list of mails that you need to send. Here you have the option to update the files and sender addresses respectively. Choose the payees from the corresponding drop-down. You can modify the shipping type for every individual mail from here. Here you can see the total shipping cost. Finally, click on Mail. Your bulk mailing is successful. Go to the Mailed tab to see the list of mailed documents. Click on the three dots to see the statement. You can also track the mail details from here.